Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add stops on Google Maps, and this is actually very simple. At first, you head over to Google Maps. Now, let's say that I want to go to Dhaka University and I want to go there from a random place. Let's say shower. So these are just random places, right? Now, if you want to add a stop, what you want to do is click on the three icon at the top and then click on add stop. And then you could either move this down. Let's say one of your stop is at Farmgate. So if I select on that, as you can see that this Farmgate police box, this is one of the stops, and then another stop is going at Dhaka University right over here. So you could, like this way, add as many as you want to. The process is same, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.